Dr. Vidal, would you mind introducing yourself to us?
Oh, yes. I'm Dr. Vidal Adadevoh, and I've been in academia for, well, about a couple of decades now.
Yes.
And my area is, I have two areas, business administration, but my PhD is in computer science. And my current role is Dean of Online Education. What I've done is to build the online program at my current institution from scratch. And the online program has grown to the point that we have about 7 100% online majors now. And also I've been also taking care of getting the learning management systems and then also getting a replacement to the original one that we have. So the journey has been very, very exciting. I did not set out to be in education. I just happened to come to education.
Wow.
Yeah, because I was doing a PhD because the company I was working for was going to pay for it. It was free. So I started doing it. So at one time, one of my colleagues, a professor that worked for him, just worked out on him. He needed somebody. So just told me, said, come and teach part-time for me. I said, no, I don't want to teach. But finally convinced me. I taught part-time and I fell in love with teaching.
Oh, wow.
So I've been in teaching since then.
Oh, wow.